You've got an Android phone, probably for social media, videos, and games. Maybe you use it to keep up with friends, watch the latest viral clips, or unwind with your favorite mobile games after a long day. It's always within reach, and it feels like a lifeline to the digital world. But it's more than a content machine. It's a pocket-sized supercomputer with real-world hacking potential. Underneath the familiar apps and notifications, your phone is packed with advanced hardware and software that rivals what desktop computers could do just a few years ago. Thanks to Android's flexibility, your phone can be a powerful cybersecurity tool. The open nature of Android means you can customize, experiment, and install a wide range of apps that let you peek under the hood of your digital life. It's not just for calls. It's your gateway to understanding the networks you use every day. You can monitor traffic, analyze connections, and see how your data moves through the invisible web all around you. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a strong processor, and a huge app ecosystem, you have the basics for digital security exploration. These features let you interact with the world in ways you might never have imagined, from scanning networks to testing your own security. We'll show you how to turn your phone into a platform for ethical hacking. No Hollywood magic, just real skills. You'll learn practical techniques that professionals use, all from the comfort of your own device. You'll learn to scan networks, analyze your digital environment, and test for vulnerabilities, all from your hand. Imagine being able to spot weaknesses in your own Wi-Fi or understand how hackers think, using only your phone. No risky rooting or warranty-voiding tricks here. Everything is safe and Play Store approved. We'll stick to legitimate tools so you can experiment without fear of breaking your device or voiding your warranty. This is about education and curiosity, seeing your phone as a tool for creation and protection. You'll discover how to use your device not just for entertainment, but to build new skills and protect yourself online. By the end, you'll see your device in a whole new light. You'll realize that your Android isn't just a phone. It's a gateway to a world of digital exploration and empowerment. Ready to unlock your phone's hidden power? Let's get started and see what your pocket-sized supercomputer can really do. Let's clear up a myth. Hacking isn't always criminal. Ethical hackers, or white hats, use their skills to protect, not attack. Their job? Find weaknesses before the bad guys do. But ethical hacking is always about permission. Never test a system you don't own or have written consent to access. Testing your own home network is the perfect legal way to learn. Ethical hackers help companies fix flaws before criminals exploit them. They're the reason your banking app and Wi-Fi are safer. This is a respected, crucial profession. Remember, only test what's yours, or what you're allowed to. Your home Wi-Fi is your safe lab. Responsible use of these skills is what sets professionals apart from criminals. That's the golden rule. Stick to it and you're on the right path. Let's move forward. You don't need fancy gear, just your Android and a few free apps. First up, Termux. It's a mini Linux terminal, letting you run powerful security tools right on your phone. Next, Fing. With one tap, it scans your Wi-Fi and shows every connected device. IP, Mac, and more. Fing is perfect for beginners to map their network and spot unknown devices. For web traffic analysis, try Net Analyzer. It's a Swiss Army knife for ping, traceroute, and port scans. And don't forget a VPN like Proton VPN or TunnelBear to keep your data private, especially on public Wi-Fi. These tools are free, safe, and don't require rooting. They're your starter kit for ethical hacking. Practice good digital hygiene from the start. With these apps, you're ready to explore safely. Let's see them in action. Time for hands-on learning. Let's scan your home Wi-Fi with Fing. This simple process will help you understand exactly what's happening on your network, and it's a great first step into the world of cybersecurity. Start by connecting your phone to your home Wi-Fi. Next, head to the Play Store, search for Fing, and install the app. Once it's downloaded, open Fing to begin your journey into network discovery. Fing will ask for location permission. This is necessary so the app can accurately identify your Wi-Fi network and all the devices connected to it. Don't worry, this is a standard step for network scanning apps. Tap, Scan for devices. In just a few seconds, Fing will search your network and display a list of every device currently connected, from laptops and phones to smart TVs and even printers. Each device entry shows its IP address, MAC address, manufacturer, and device type. This information helps you recognize what's on your network and spot anything unusual. Think of this as your digital home's map, a visual overview of your connected world, right at your fingertips. If you spot an unfamiliar device, don't ignore it. It could be a neighbor who's guessed your password or even a potential security risk. Always investigate unknown connections. Tap any device for more details, including when it was last seen on your network. This can help you track down suspicious activity or simply keep tabs on your own devices. You can even run a port scan to see what services or ports are open on each device. This is a powerful way to check for vulnerabilities or unexpected services. This is your first taste of network reconnaissance, gathering information safely and responsibly, just like a professional. It's a core skill for any ethical hacker, and it all starts with understanding your own network. The best part? You can do all of this from your phone with no special equipment or complicated setup required. Practice scanning regularly and get familiar with your network's normal activity. The more you scan, the more confident you'll become at spotting changes or threats. The more you know your environment, the better you can protect it. Let's take it further and build your skills step by step. Ready for the next level? Let's dive deeper into the world of mobile hacking, where your Android phone becomes a powerful tool for digital exploration. Open Termux and step into the world of command line hacking. This app transforms your phone into a portable Linux terminal, giving you access to hundreds of powerful tools right at your fingertips. First, update your tools. Type PKG update and an PKG upgrade. Keeping your environment up to date ensures you have the latest features and security patches, which is crucial for any hacker. Now, install Nmap, the industry standard for network scanning, by typing PKG install Nmap. Nmap is a favorite among cybersecurity professionals for its versatility and reliability. In seconds, you have a pro-grade tool on your phone. With Nmap, you can analyze networks, discover devices, and identify potential security gaps, all from your pocket. Find your phone's local IP and Wi-Fi settings or with ifconfig in Termux. Knowing your IP is the first step to understanding your network structure. To scan your device, type Nmap, your IP, and hit enter. Watch as Nmap quickly maps out your device's open ports and services. Nmap will list open ports and running services, key info for spotting vulnerabilities. This information helps you understand what's exposed and what needs to be secured. Want more? Try Nmap SV router IP for service version detection, which reveals detailed information about the software running on each port. Or use scriptvuln for vulnerability checks. This command scans for known weaknesses, giving you a real-world look at your network's defenses. This is how pros find outdated, risky software. Regular scans help you stay ahead of threats and keep your devices secure. Every command you learn is a step toward real-world security skills. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in defending your own systems. Termux makes your phone a true hacking lab. You can run multiple tools, automate tasks, and even script your own security checks. Experiment, but always stay within your own network. Responsible hacking means respecting privacy and legality. Never scan networks you don't own or have permission to test. Practice these basics. They're the foundation of cybersecurity. Mastering the command line opens up endless possibilities for learning and growth. The command line is your new best friend. Keep exploring, keep learning, and soon you'll be ready for even more advanced techniques. Let's talk about staying safe, because with great power comes great responsibility. As you explore, your own security matters. Always use a VPN on public Wi-Fi to encrypt your data and block snoopers. Choose privacy-focused browsers like Brave or Firefox to block trackers. Be strict with app permissions. Deny anything unnecessary. Keep your Android apps and Termux tools updated to patch vulnerabilities. Outdated software is an open door for attackers. Use auto-update and run PKG update and PKG upgrade regularly. Protect your identity online. Use a pseudonym in security forums. Never share personal details tied to your real name. This is called operational security, or OPSEC. It's standard practice for cybersecurity pros. Stay smart, stay private. Now let's talk about ethics. The most important tool isn't software, it's your ethics. Only scan and test devices you own or have permission for. Unauthorized scanning is illegal no matter your intent. Think of it like testing your own door locks, not your neighbor's. If you find a vulnerability on someone else's system, report it privately. Never exploit it. Many companies reward responsible disclosure. Your reputation for integrity is your greatest asset. Document your findings, respect privacy, and always act with permission. Ethics make you a trusted professional. This is just the beginning. For deeper learning, try online courses on Coursera, edX, or Cybrary. Capture the Flag CTF games on Hack the Box, or Try Hack Me offer hands-on challenges. Join their communities to learn and compete. YouTube channels like the Cyber Mentor and John Hammond offer great tutorials. Classic books like the Web Application Hacker's Handbook are must-reads as you advance. Consider certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or CEH to prove your skills. These open doors to cybersecurity careers. Keep learning, keep practicing, the resources are endless. Your Android is now a tool for learning, not just consuming. You've learned the basics of ethical hacking and network analysis. You've run your first scan and explored your digital environment. Remember, cybersecurity is a journey. Stay curious and keep learning. The field evolves fast. Your best asset is a love of discovery. Always act with integrity and respect privacy. Use your skills to protect, not exploit. Every command and scan builds your foundation. Explore your home network, try new tools, and join online communities. Take small steps every day. The world needs more ethical, passionate security minds. Your journey starts now, with the device in your hand. Go explore, learn, and see how far you can go. The digital world is waiting for you.